Good morning students, welcome to eSuvidya. Hope you all are doing well. Children, in the previous class we have studied the sense group paragraph 1 and the paragraph 2. And in these two paragraphs we have seen that there was a big king-like handsome roaster who wakes up early in the morning, sits at a high place and starts singing non-stop cock-a-doodle-doo. And he wanted to become a great singer in his locality, and he was in search of a person who can guide him to become a great singer in the locality. But unfortunately, he finds a teacher like a jackal who suggests him to sing closing his eyes. And you have already seen what happened when the roaster sings closing his eyes. When the roaster closes his eyes and starts singing non-stop, then the jackal grabbed the opportunity to hold the roaster by its neck and ran away from this particular place. And when the jackal ran away from this particular place, now the owner of the roaster chases the jackal, follows his wife and his sons and the neighbors. But now the jackal goes much ahead. And when the jackal goes much ahead, now the roaster sees there is no opportunity to escape from the mouth. So now he uses an idea and tells to the roaster, tells to the jackal that Mr. Jackal, I am quite happy with you, and my owner is a miser, was a miser, and he don't give me anything to eat. You please tell my owner that I am quite happy with you, and I have a great experience of going with you, because without walking I am walking, without flying I am flying. So you please tell my owner that I am quite happy with you. So children, up to this portion we have studied in the previous class. Now we will read the sense group paragraph 3. So I am reading the sense group paragraph 3. You open your books and read it attentively. Sense group paragraph 3. The jackal felt happy with the words of the roaster. As he opened his mouth to say something, the roaster flew up to the tree. Sitting on the branch of the tree, the roaster sang, I was a fool to believe your lies. I closed instead of keeping open my eyes. The jackal wept and said, I am a great fool to believe what you said. For opening my mouth, I really repented. So children, in the sense group paragraph 3, we see that when the jackal opens his mouth to tell the owner of the roaster that the roaster is quite happy with him, the roaster grabbed the opportunity. And now, taking the opportunity, the roaster flew away and sat on the tree. And sitting on the tree, now the roaster sings the song that actually he was a fool to believe the lies of the jackal. Actually, it tells that we should not believe anybody blindly. And if we believe anybody blindly, then in the future we have to repent for this. So now the roaster tells the jackal that actually he was a fool to believe the lies of the jackal. And the jackal also sings, and the jackal gives the reply to the roaster that actually he was also a fool. Why? Because he believed what the roaster had said. And instead of closing his mouth, he opened his mouth. For this reason, he is repenting now. He is repenting now. Repenting means to feel sorry for something. To feel sorry for something. Or whenever we commit a sin, or whenever we commit a mistake, and whenever we start repenting, it means we feel sorry for this. So now the jackal starts feeling sorry for this. So in the last we see that the roaster had the last laugh. So what do you mean by the roaster had the last laugh? When two persons or two animals are fighting with each other, and the person who wins in the last, he or she has the last laugh. So you see here is a competition, or here is a fighting between the roaster and the jackal, and finally we see the roaster wins this. So the roaster had the last laugh. So children, we have studied the last paragraph, sense group paragraph 3. So now let us find out some new words and try to use it into meaningful sentences of our world. First one is instead. Instead means in the place of something. In the place of something. So we can use it into meaningful sentences. I will try to make friends instead of enemies. I will try to make friends instead of enemies. or we may use it on another sentence. I will, instead of dining out, we added a couple of pizzas. So next word is wept. Children, you know the word wept has come from the word weep. Has come from the word weep. Weep means cry. Weep means cry. And it is the past tense of the verb weep. So wept means cry. Wept means cry. So now let us use it into meaningful sentence. He wept. He wept when he heard the sad news. Heard is the past tense of the word hear. H-E-A-R-D. So he wept when he heard the sad news. The last one is repented. Repented means to feel pain, sorrow, or regret. So we may use it into meaningful sentences. He soon repented his words. He soon repented his words. So repent means whenever we feel sorry for something, we repent. We tell this repent. So repent means to feel pain, sorrow, or regret. So the sentence is he soon repented for his words. He soon repented his words. He soon repented his words. So children, today we have studied the sense group paragraph 3, and we have seen how the roaster had the last laugh at the end of the chapter. So students, there are some homeworks for you. You read the whole chapter thoroughly. Read at least 2 times thoroughly and try to find out the new words from this chapter and try to use it into meaningful sentences. Thank you. Have a nice day.